Hey guys, how you doing? Just reporting. There's a freaky, they call it a freaky blizzard snowstorm to hit Spain for 5 days. This says the Spain has been hit by a freaky snow blizzard that would last up to 5 days, according to the BBC weather, and it'll strike the country on a record. This is extreme weather has struck the Europe, sparking blizzard storms across Spain this weekend. Unusual weather to bring for a terrifying red alert. They call it red alert weather in Spain, and warning freezing temperatures and snow and so forth. So here's more information regarding that.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.